So recently I have made a conscious effort to improve my Tagalog. I think it's important to have proper grammar when I speak to you. So I'm working on things like masakit po ba ang balikat? Masakit po ba ang batok mo? Masakit po ba ang balakang mo? This is great because now it's enhancing my language communication with my practice members. So anytime we have pain in the shoulder or the hips, this is really just a warning signal that there is a problem, and most likely it's due to some type of a postural misalignment. You see, when our posture has misaligned or our spine has misaligned, it's going to affect two things. One, the joint, and two, the nerve. And that is what's creating the masakit. That is what's creating the matigas. That is what's creating the manhid. Okay, the stress on the nerve is impacting the function of that nerve. So that is causing the spasm, the pain, and the numbness and tingling. So a chiropractor like myself, we don't treat your symptom. I don't treat manhid. I don't treat masakit. I don't treat matigas. I alleviate the stress on the nerve through a specific spinal adjustment, influencing that nerve function. The body heals. Pain goes away, numbness goes away, muscle spasm goes away. So that's the amazing thing about chiropractic is we do not treat the symptom, that is the warning signal. We work on the root cause, which is your alignment.